power up, accelerating, steady, nose coming up, lift, and airborne, stable flight.
Increasing throttle. The hull is riding high on the step now, looking good. Maintain this speed.
Keep it steady now. Looking good, take it left. Initiating the turn, copy. Perfect bank angle.
Today you will witness all the production processes of the AVIC AG600 model that we produced at our RC factory.
Perfect molding this cycle.
Excellent.
Looking good, nice and clean.
Ends, the raw composite AG600 fuselage is revealed. The precision of
The finish on these matte gray composite hulls is exceptional.
They're ready for the wing saddles and assembly.
At 1.7 meters, they're the perfect RC scale. Perfect. Let's move to the next set. The nose section appears correct. Let me check the seam lines here. Verified, no defects. On to the next one. The seam here looks good, clear of defects.
Check near the window frame, just to be sure.
Yes, that's solid as well. Keep them aligned with the yellow lines. We're almost there, slow it down. Looking good on the...
Check.
Perfect. Excellent. Smooth finish, no flaws. It's freeing up nicely, no stress, no bending. Perfect separation, just like we wanted.
Mounting pads are perfectly aligned.
Ready for post-processing.
Cycle complete. Take a look at that flange.
Impressive. The mounting pads look spot on too.
Setting the left half wing in place. Check the float attachment.
Straightness, precise. Next on to the structural integrity. Steady around the curve.
Almost done here.
Perfect trim, character A. Let me just verify the edge.
Go ahead, character B. It's clean.
Looks good, uniform and clean.
Excellent work. Ready for the next stage.
Off wheel, follow the line. Keep that guard visible. Clean cut. All right, grab the left.
Got it. Easy now.
Perfect fit on the pins.
All right, align the channels.
Hold it steady now.
Verified. Now for the caliper.
Keep it steady. Looks like the left wing is aligned.
Okay, I've got the right wing in position, lowering them together now. Nice fit. Line up the port side. On it, looking good. Yeah, perfect fit. Looks ready for glue.
Line looks good.
Let's get that corner.
Perfect. Clean joint.
The seams look solid. Check the belly step. 3, lift.
Watch the leading edge. Keep it steady. Watch the clearance.
Looking good. Aligning with the saddle.
Alignment looks good.
Slow push.
Perfect fit.
Dry fit complete.
Right, perfect. It's stable. Bring it on in.
Secure. Clamp it down. Pocket.
Cutting now.
Looks like a clean cut. Got the vacuum ready.
Looks good.
Thanks. This guy over to the bay. Looks good, steady as she goes. Watch the clearance, perfect. Right on time. With the tail, should pass through the booth door, no problem. Perfect.
Keep it straight.
Nice and steady, watch the wingtip on the right. Door secured. Fans on. Stand engaged. Keep it steady. Watch the wing. Got it, looks good.
For the access panel, it should lift right out.
Got it. Just need to check the internal connections before we mount anything.
Them on the pads.
Done. Looks good.
Looks good.
Perfect fit. Got it.
Perfect. Hold that steady.
All right, templates down. Checking the wing saddle alignment first. Looks good. Let's mark those holes. And now the landing gear mount. Perfect. I've got the tape ready to feed from the back.
Got it. It's coming through.
Good. Watch the tension. Got it. Pulling now.
It's coming through smooth. Here.
Perfect fit. All right, here's the engine. Looks like a perfect fit for the flying boat.
Ensure the engine aligns perfectly with the mounts. Use the torque driver to secure the lock nuts. Apply precise pressure.
Let's clip this wiring.
I've got the fish tape through,
Perfect. I'm seating the grommet now.
and I'll guide the cable.
This grommet, and we're good to go. Line it up there.
Got it.
Tightening the nut.
Got it. Backing nut holds. I'm at the root.
Got it. Now, second one here.
the phase wires are secure in the clips.
Okay, aligning the keyed connector now.
Here,
And now to secure the harness.
let's get this connected.
Nice and tight. Done.
Verified secure on my side.
Washer. Just a final check on the torque.
Perfect. Nice work.
Fit, lower it down.
She's secure. Final check.
More.
Tightening the hub now.
Moving to the right side.
Ready the last propeller.
Handing you the torque wrench. Right, finishing up now.
Still needs a half turn.
Done. Checking the torque now.
Perfect. Mark it.
Ready.
Excellent. Comparing the BOM now, the IMU and power management reels are confirmed.
Screen fits perfectly.
Securing the screen now.
Checking elevators. One. And ailerons. Looks good.
Safe spin-up check initiates.
Throttle arming.
Smooth rotation. Engaging.
Throttle reduced. Stopping.
Range check complete. Signal strength is solid.
Control surfaces look good. Smooth response.
Motor spinning up now. Idle is steady.
Test is a go. Bringing them down.
Increasing throttle. The hull is riding high on the step now, looking good. Maintain this speed.
Power up. Accelerating. Steady. Nose coming up. Lift. And airborne. Stable flight.
Increasing throttle. Checking controls. Ready for liftoff.
All right, picking up speed. Good. And we're off. Course. Holding altitude and speed, looking good. Copy that. No deviation.
Looks good. Leveling off. Starting a gentle turn to the left now. Solid flight path. No wobble. Looking steady. Bringing it in.
Notice the detailed flying boat hull on this AG600. It's quite impressive.
Is this the Kunlong variant?
Yes, the exact 1.7 meter model. See the floats here? Wow, look at the size of that blue one.
I know, it's a Kunlong AG600, 1.7 meters. It's huge.
This white one is amazing. Look at the detail on the floats.
I know, it's incredible.
Which one do you think looks best?
I like the black one.
And here you can see the distinctive stepped hull of the AG600.
Wow.
And up there is the T-tail.
Look at the propellers.
Now watch this pontoon.
I've never seen models this big or detailed.
Wow, an AG600 RC?
Get a picture.